Hello my dear students, this is the our second of question 2. What we have to find? Again we have to find the value of x and y. Okay, so you can say here which angle? Yes, vertically opposite angle, and we know vertically opposite angles are always same. Yes or not? So here we have the triangle like this way. Okay, here it is a given 80, here y, here x, and over here 50. This way we have the diagram. Okay, so we know this angle is which? Vertically opposite angle. So over here these and these are vertically opposite angle. So we can write over here y is equal to 80 degree. Why y is equal to 80 degree? Because it is the vertically opposite angle. Okay, so you have to write like this way. Y is equal to 80 degree because they are vertically opposite angle, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. Understood? Now we have the value of y. We can find x plus y plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because it's the angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay. Now x as it is, value of y already we have 80 degree, then 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 50 plus 80 is the 130 degree. 180 degree, make this separate. Okay, we have to make it separate. 180 degree as it is, side change, sign change. Therefore x is equal to 50 degree. Understood? So here this one is a 80 degree and this one is a 50 degree. Okay, so this way students, third one. Now here third one is again is a linear pair, but we don't have the value of x and y. Yes or not? So what we have to do? See which way triangle is given. Here 50, here 60. These also we have to find, and these also we have to find. This way we have the triangle. Okay, but here first we can find value of y. Yes or not? So right over here y plus 50 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180. Why it's 180? Because angle sum property. It's a compulsory students, again I repeat, you have to mention it. Okay, now y plus 50 plus 60 is a 110 is equal to 180. Over here y is equal to, now you know very well because already we completed the chapter equation. Okay, so 180 minus 110. So y is equal to 70 degree. Is that clear students? Now we have the y 70 degree. Easily we can find the value of x because x plus y is equal to 180. Why? Linear pair. Yes or not? So over here x as it is, y value already we found 70 and 180 degree. Understood student? Okay, if you know the property, then easily you can identify which property we have to use over here. Now x is equal to 180 minus 70. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 70 is 110 degree. Is that clear students? So this way students, this is the third one. Okay, this one is third one. Now fourth one. In a fourth one, what we have to do? We have the triangle like this way. Okay, here it is a 60 degree, here x, here y, and here 30 degree. Okay, so here which angle? Yes, it's the vertically opposite angle. X means vertically opposite angle. So value of x is equal to also 60. So you can write x is equal to 60 degree. Why? Because it's the vertically opposite angle. Students, you write with the nice handwriting and you have to draw this triangle and everything with the help of scale and pencil. Okay, I'm standing and writing. I didn't have support. That's why my handwriting was not good. Okay, so x is equal to 60. Why? Because it's a vertically opposite angle. Now easily we can find the value of y. 30 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180. Why is 180? Is angle sum property. Okay, so here 30 plus 60 is a 90 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now y is equal to 180 minus 90. These things now usually you can identify because you did the simple equation, and if your simple equation concept is not clear, then again you feel confusion over here. So y is equal to 90 degree. Understood? So these way, students, you have to complete this fourth one. Okay, now fifth one. What we have to do in a fifth one? Only one number is given 90. Then we have to find all. Okay, x and then y. Already 90 degree we have. What we have to do? See. Over here 90 degree is given. Let it be, students. Here 90 given, here y, here x, and here x. This way figure we have. Okay. Now we have to find the value of y and x. What we have to do? Yes, it's the vertically opposite angle. Yes or not? And here x is there. It means both angle are same. So which type of triangle is this? Yes, this is the isosceles triangle. Yes or not? So here write 90 degree is equal to y. Why? Because it's the vertically opposite angle. Okay, now here we can write the 90 degree. Now x and x both are equal. So write x plus 90 is equal to 180. Why? Because it's the angle sum property. Okay, so here x plus x, 2x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now 2x as it is, 180 side change, sign change. Therefore 2x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90, side change, sign change. Here what is the relation? Multiplication. Then it will be divide. Okay. Now x is equal to 90 divided by 2. It means 45. But if you are not able to do identify directly, then what you have to do? Do the division. Okay. So here my x is equal to 45. Again x is equal to 45. After complete this sum, students, you have to check 90 plus 45 plus 45. So sum is a 180 or not? If it's a 180, then our answer is right. And if it's not 180, either less or either more, then you have to find out somewhere you did any mistake. Okay. So this way, students, you have to write this one fifth in your notebook. Now next. Sixth one. What we have to do in this? x, y, any number is not given, students. You can identify what we have to do. See, check over here. Nothing is given. X, 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 y, y, y. It means here exterior angles are same. Yes or not? And this one is a vertically opposite angle. Our figure is given like this way. So here they both are vertically opposite angle. Here x, here y, and here x. This way figure we have, students, and we have to find the value of x and y. Any numerical value is not given over here. What we have to do? See, vertically opposite angles here x and y. So x is equal to y. Yes or not? Both are equal. Okay. Understood, students? This much? Both are equal. So here y is there. Here nothing is there. So again I can write the y because x is equal to y. Here nothing is there. So again I can write over here because x and y both are equal. Okay. Now here y. It means my all angles are equal. So which triangle is this? Yes, equilateral triangle. So you can write over here x is equal to y because it's the vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now how we can write over here y because x is equal to y already we mentioned over here. That's why y plus y plus y. Y plus y plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Is the angle sum property. Okay. Now y plus y plus y, it's the 3y. 3y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 180. Side change, sign change. It will be denominator. Therefore, y is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So here also 60, here also 60, and here also 60. So this triangle is known as an equilateral triangle. All the angles are equal. Understood? So please students complete this exercise in your notebook, and these type of sums are very important, students. Okay? In 8th standard you have to learn more like this only. So please don't skip it and write in your notebook nicely. Thank you.